Everyone. I hope everyone's taken a good lunch break and nobody's too sleepy. Thanks. It's a pleasure to be here to discuss this topic, demystifying the procurement contract management process. This topic lies at the very heart of procurement excellence. In today's fast-paced, globally connected marketplace, procurement is not just about finding the best price. It's about managing risks, ensuring compliance, and maintaining strong supplier relationships. And at the core of it lies contract management, the unsung hero of procurement that keeps operations running smoothly. How many of you deal with China? So quite a few of you all deal with China. How many of you have had bad experiences in China? None? Everybody's had good experiences? So the start of it was a little rocky, right? I want to tell you a story of how, it's a hearsay story, but it's a true story, it's a true event. So about 15 years ago, or 20 years ago, there was this gentleman, head of procurement for a large brand, went to China to source a large consignment of watches. So he was buying containers and containers worth of watches. So he goes there and negotiates for watches, and he's an older gentleman. He has a habit of, he's used to dealing in a slightly more traditional way. He doesn't sign a very detailed contract. It's more of a handshake deal, and he's very happy. So they have worked out on a price before he goes there. I think probably on a fax or something, through a fax. He goes there and he negotiates further. He's like, I want a lower price. And the Chinese gentleman, he's like, yes, no problem. I give you price. Because that's how they speak. I give you your price. The Indian gentleman comes back and he's really happy, and he goes to his management and says that, I've been able to crack a better price. So his management is also really happy and thinks that, okay, we are getting a much better margin this season. When the consignment arrives, to everyone's shock, there is no machine in the watches. None of the watches have the machine. It is just a simple, just a box, just like there's nothing that's ticking, there's nothing. It's just a showpiece, just a wrist showpiece. So going back, and obviously this guy is like scared, and it's his first time cracking a deal in China, and he's like scared because what's he going to tell his management? How is he going to explain this travesty that has occurred? He goes back and his management is like, what's the contract that you signed? And there's just a simple 2-line message or fax that has been exchanged to, between the two of them. There is nothing that's been ironed out. There are no details that's been explained in the contract. There's no SLAs. There's nothing that's been signed between the two of them that shows that the Indian company can catch the Chinese manufacturer. So, of course, this is a disaster. The Chinese guy is like, you wanted price, I gave you price, you didn't specify what you wanted for that price. I gave you what you paid for. What are you going to say? So that's why contracts and their terms and conditions are so very important. How many of us actually read the fine print? How many of us actually know what's there in our contract in detail? Can you tell me? How many of us actually know exactly what's there in our vendor contract? How many of us know the terms of our SLAs? It's really important for us as leaders to actually define the terms of our contract, to define what it means. What are our expectations from our vendors? What are the service levels that we are expecting from our vendors? It's extremely important. So let's talk a little bit more in detail about expectations, what is a contract, what is the role of contract. So what is the role of contract management in procurement? A well-structured contract is more than just a legal document. It's a blueprint for a successful procurement. It defines expectations, responsibility, and deliverables. It protects the business from financial and operational risks. They act as a bridge between buyers and suppliers, ensuring mutual accountability. Yet, many of us underestimate contract management. So, how do we manage costs and prevent missed obligations? A poorly managed contract is a ticking time bomb. Procurement leaders must focus on tracking contractual commitments, ensuring timely renewals and payments to avoid penalties, cost control through structured clauses, incorporating dynamic pricing, inflation-adjusted rates, and performance incentives. Automation and AI-powered contract management, leveraging digital platforms for real-time tracking, alerts, and compliance monitoring. By integrating contract lifecycle management tools, that's CLM tools, organizations can reduce financial leakages, optimize supplier performance, and prevent contractual breaches. Quality. In procurement, quality is non-negotiable. I have myself quality meetings with my quality head team at least twice weekly, and maybe more so sometimes. Contract terms must clearly outline product specifications, ensuring materials, dimensions, and performance standards meet business needs. Service level agreements, defining delivery timelines, response times, and penalties for non-compliance. Audit and compliance mechanisms, regular assessments, and supplier audits to prevent substandard outputs. Quality-driven contracts can actually ensure that suppliers meet expectations and that organizations get what they paid for without compromises. AI and analytics for geopolitical risk mitigation. Currently, the world is volatile. Trade wars, sanctions, supply chain disruptions, and geopolitical tensions directly impact procurement. So how can organizations stay resilient? AI-powered risk modeling help predict supplier vulnerabilities. Data-driven contract clauses allow flexible negotiations, renegotiations amid external uncertainties. Diversified sourcing strategies protect supply chains from geopolitical instabilities. With AI and predictive analytics, procurement teams can identify, assess, and mitigate risks before they become liabilities. Streamlining risk assessment and vendor selection amid global turbulence. Choosing the right vendor is no longer about cost. I think we all have realized that, evolved into that mode where it's not just about cost. Like one of our colleagues said, it's not bargaining, but it is actually negotiating. It's not about cost. It's about risk resilience. Suppliers, financial stability, regulatory compliance, sustainability goals, and ESG factors. They all are a very important part of selecting the right vendor. By embedding a robust risk assessment framework into the vendor selection, business can navigate global uncertainty with confidence. Ladies and gentlemen, contract management is no longer about legal paperwork. It's a strategic function that drives procurement excellence. It safeguards cost efficiency, it ensures quality and compliance, and it mitigates risks and disruption. The future of procurement lies in data-driven, AI-powered, and risk-resilient contract management. Those who master this will not only protect their organizations, but also unlock new avenues for growth. Thank you, and I look forward to your thoughts and questions later. Thank you.